What is going on, you guys? Showing you this trade I took on the SPY today. Hopefully this video opens up your eyes a little bit on how just using support and resistance is going to help you out a lot. Okay, so let's get to it. What was the market doing yesterday? It was just bouncing back and forth. So where was a high? Pretty much 312 here. Where was a low? Right around this area. So it doesn't have to be a millimeter to the penny correct, just a rough area where it's at. So check this out. The high is pretty much at 312. Anytime you have a support or resistance paired up with a whole number, that's the perfect combination. That's going to be a strong level of support or strong level of resistance. All right, so that's what I was looking for. Okay. Now check this out. You extend this to the left and look on Monday. That's exactly where it bounced from this drop. Okay, dropped on Monday. Look where it bounced. Same area as this. Same exact level. Okay, so that's very important. Now at this point, now in your head, you know, okay, this is a strong level of support. If it breaks the support, it's gonna have a pretty nice drop. Okay, now how long is the drop? I don't know. Is it gonna fill this gap here? I don't know, but we're gonna have a drop if this area breaks. So if you're new and you don't know when to get in out of a trade, or you don't know. It's simple, guys. If it breaks this support here, you going short. If it breaks the high or the high of resistance here, you go long. Okay. Let me zoom you in a little bit. So if it breaks this, you go short. And say it comes back up, and I would put my stop loss right around the low, this body here, this candle. So if it breaks that, just get out of the trade. Same thing here. If you go long here, if it breaks, say it comes back down below this wick here, just get out of the trade. All right. Don't be afraid to get stopped out. You can always re-enter the trade. Always. Okay. But if you stay in the trade and then you lose a lot of money, then you might not be able to go back in the trade because now you don't have a lot of money. All right. So very simple. But like I said, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to get stopped out. All right. But it's simple. Okay. And you get a little bit more experience and you do what I did. Okay. So now I'm not saying I'm the best trader. I'm not a professional, nothing like that. But check this out. It's very simple to see. You got this high here paired up with a whole number, so that's going to be a strong level of resistance. Couldn't break that resistance here. It tried to a little bit. It didn't really try. It was just fighting, but it wasn't going to do it. So I went in short right here. Okay, now where I went short, if it would have broken that resistance, I would have gone out. It was that simple. Same thing. If it would have broken 312, I would have gone out. Same thing as if you were to go along here, and then if it breaks below, you could get out. Okay, same thinking. So I got in short here, rode it all the way down here, was waiting for this nice drop. Now it started bouncing a little bit. I started thinking, well, is it gonna bounce again like yesterday? I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna break through or bounce back up, bro. I just don't know. But since I got in here, if it does bounce back up, I'm still in the green. Okay. But that's what helped me. That's what helps you as well. Stay patient at a time like this. Okay, you're already green, so just stay in the trade. All right, so I stayed in the trade, not really worried at all. Really broke below this, and that's exactly what I was looking for. So when I got in here, my target was around 311. Now that sounds a little bit. How'd you know? Well, I didn't know, but here's the thing. 311 is within reason, okay? Because this is, like I said over and over, this is a strong level of support. When it breaks it, we're gonna have a drop. So 311 is not within reach. It's within reach, okay? So it's not. It's something that's reasonable, okay? So broke it, got in here. I was in here, and then it started bouncing. Once it started going back over 311, I got out because I knew that 311, since it's a whole number, it's gonna play a level of support or resistance as well. You can see once it broke above it, or once it went above it, it's having trouble breaking below it again. So I got out a couple pennies above 311. So pretty much met my target on the day, and that's the trade I took, guys. And look where it bounced actually. All right, it bounced right at the low of this body here on the 15-minute time frame, same exact area. So that's the trade I took, guys. Really simple, really easy. Once the support breaks, it becomes new resistance. As you can see here, it's having trouble breaking over this new resistance level. Once resistance breaks, it becomes new support. Kind of like this. Okay, so if you look on Tuesday, It's in a wedge here, but I don't trade wedges. I don't trade triangle breakouts. Nothing like that. So you look for this channel here. Look at this channel. It was pretty much right there. You look at the little channel right here. Now, how can you tell that's the low? Why isn't this the low? Well, because look here. Every time it came down here, it was just fighting this area. So that's gonna be the bottom of the channel. Now I broke the high here. You go long. It went up. Came back down. It bounced. You know, this was resistance. Once it broke it right here, this now became support. So it came back down, bounced at the support, and went up. All right, it's very simple, guys. Don't make it complicated on yourself. Let me just show you if in case you're $340 today. Again, nothing crazy, really small size, really, because as you can tell, my throat is killing me right now. I got a headache and stuff, but really simple, guys. That's what I did today. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. I'll try to help you guys out, and I'll catch you on the next one.